Now, next thing is decomposition. Well, decomposition actually is the opposite of synthesis. So it's just two in one and one in two. So the way to do it is the same. Okay, it's no technique, but let me just do a couple for you. Okay, same thing as synthesis. So I'm going to put equal sign on the arrow. So I look it up. Okay, 1K, 1K, K happy. 1Cl, 1Cl, so Cl is also happy. So K happy, Cl happy. Look up the oxygen. 3 oxygen, 2 oxygen is not happy. So 3 and 2 are prime numbers, so I multiply them to get 6. That means I have to make 6 oxygen. So how can I make 6 oxygen? I have to put 2 in bracket to make 6 oxygen. And then here I'm going to put 3 to make 3 times 2 is 6. Now, before, K was happy, Cl was happy. But now, K is not happy, Cl is not happy because I changed the number. So every time when you put a number on it, you don't want to say that it's balanced before, it's always balanced. Sometimes it was balanced before, now it was not balanced. So you always need to check. Okay, K is not happy because 2K and 1K, 2Cl and 1Cl. So how can I make it balanced? I'm going to put the 2 in front of KCl. Now always go back to check every time when you put a number on. 2K, 2K, 2Cl, 2Cl, 60, 60. Now this is happy. I'm going to do one more on number 9. P2O5, P and O2. So you can either look it up P or O, it doesn't really matter. So let's say I'm looking at P. So P2 and P is not happy because the P is 2 here and 1 here. So I'm going to put 2 in front, make the P happy. Now P is happy. Oxygen is 5. Here is 2. So 5 and 2 are prime numbers. So we multiply them to get 10. I had to make this 10, so I have to put 2 in front to make the oxygen 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So oxygen is happy. Okay, now here, how can I make the oxygen is 10? Is I have to put the 5 here. So 10 oxygen, 10 oxygen. Now remember before, you make the P balance. Now, because you put the 2 in front of the P2O5, you make the P no more balance. You look up the P, I have 2 times 2 is 4. Here, only 1, only 2. So I'm going to fix that to be 4. So you always need to go back to check everything. Sometimes you put the number on, it doesn't mean that will be like balanced all the time. You need to go back to check. Now let's do number 10. Number 10 is a little tricky. 2H, 2H, so H was happy. Oxygen, 2 oxygen here. I got 1 here and 2 here. So every time when you have the subscript, one is like same atom, okay? Oxygen, oxygen. This is odd number subscript. This even number of subscript. I'm not happy. I don't want to see odd number subscript. So how can I make the oxygen no more odd number? I cannot put the 2 here because if I put the 2 here, I will make H2O2. It's a brand new compound. So how can I make this oxygen even? I have to put the 2 in front of H2O and put bracket. So make the oxygen 2 now. So even number, I can fix that. So right now, I need to go back. Look it up. Hydrogen is 2 hydrogen. Here is 4 hydrogen. So it's not happy. So I'm going to put a 2 in front and make the hydrogen happy. 2 and 2, 4. 2 and 2, 4. So hydrogen happy. Now oxygen. Oxygen, I get 4 here. Okay, equals 2 plus 2. So it is balanced. So that means oxygen is also balanced. I'm going to put the 1 here.